Forza Horizon 6 not installing error code 0x83F8001/0x87e00005 on Xbox app and Microsoft Store PC. 1. Restart your PC. Close Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Restart your computer. Open Xbox app again. Retry installing the game. 2. Sign out and back into Microsoft account. Open Xbox app. Sign out of your Microsoft account. Restart the app. Sign back in. Try downloading Forza Horizon 6 again. 3. Check Xbox Game Pass or game ownership. Make sure your Game Pass subscription is active. Confirm you own the game. Refresh Xbox app library. Retry installation. 4. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R, type WS Reset, press Enter, wait for Microsoft Store to reopen, retry installation. 5. Repair Xbox app, open Settings, go to Apps, Installed Apps, find Xbox app, open Advanced Options, click Repair, restart the app. 6. Repair Microsoft Store, open Settings, go to Apps, select Microsoft Store, open Advanced Options, click Repair, relaunch Store. 7. Reinstall gaming services, open PowerShell as administrator. Run get appx package Microsoft.gaming services, remove appx package users, restart your PC, reinstall gaming services from Microsoft Store. 8. Update Windows, open Settings, go to Windows Update, click Check for Updates, install all available updates, restart your PC. 9. Free up storage space, open Settings, Storage, delete unnecessary files or apps, make enough free space available, retry installation. 10. Reinstall Xbox app, uninstall Xbox app completely, restart your PC, download Xbox app again from Microsoft Store, install and retry downloading the game.